Guys, we actually got to meet somebody great here because, you know, somebody who lives here. That's pretty important. This is Marianne.
Hello.
And her partner Chris is in the UK right now and invited us to come down here and see how life is down here. Now they're very close to the Sky Resort up here.
It's a tree house, but not
Oh, you used to have a tree house?
before, yeah.
Aw, we were just commenting. Welcome to the provinces. Look at that. You don't need no gas here, that's for sure. Well, guys, look at this. We've got a little progress here. Something in progress, that's what it is. Chris is a UK guy, and this is his partner, Marianne. And they bought this lot right after COVID. And it's got a dive center, it's got a resort sort of thing, and he's building apartments, it's got a big parking area, but it's like tiered in different areas. And I don't know how much you paid. Do you know how much you paid?
Yeah.
For the whole thing? For the land and everything? No? Okay. So we don't know how much they paid for it, but here it is in Coron, it is kind of expensive to open a business because you have to have different business permits for everything, and the permits can be very expensive, upwards of 500,000 pesos, plus the taxes. That's not including taxes. But their plan is he's going to keep working and back in the UK, saving the money so they can get everything ready and get it going. And she's down here with her family so she can do her part to keep it up. And so this is like part of the dive shop thing. They have a really deep pool over here. Like I said, it's not open or anything, just keep that in mind. They're gonna have to get in here and get it all prepped and ready again, but you see how deep that is so that you can do the scuba diving lessons. And then they also have a little pool over here. And then they have all these little cabanas and rooms here that, again, can't rent them out right now because they don't have the permits. I think she was saying it's like 500,000 pesos just for the permit, not including the taxes. And then each cabin or something has to have a permit or something. I don't know. Some things might be lost in translation. And you come over here. This property is so big, so big. We're right in the main strip, just to be very clear. You can hear kind of the traffic. The main strip is right here. So they're just one little off street off of it, and you're in the main drag of everything. This used to be a tree house. They even have staircase, like a cement staircase going up to it. There used to be a big tree house in here, but unfortunately, not no more. They got another one over there. So yeah, like things are already looking, since they bought it, they've cleaned this up a lot, and they're, beating back the jungle. He comes for 1 month every 3 months right now. Another house right up there. Little Laura's coming for the tour with me. Oh, I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, it's a really big one there. Hey, little Laura, you like this place?
Yeah, and they have a small pool.
Yeah, the swimming pool, yeah. Here it is. So this was the staircase that went up and up and up and up and up. And then, yeah, to that treehouse. That would have been cool. And then they're also building apartment buildings up here. And so they have different lots. That's a separate lot altogether. So it's going to have its own business permit and everything. She was explaining. And then this is going to be their parking lot. This is a separate lot also that they own where we park. That resort there, that's a cliffside resort. It's very well known here in Coron. So it overlooks the whole bay and everything. So it's a popular area. But yeah, she's growing some vegetables and stuff like that. So they have all of this land. Really cool. I wish Chris was here because she doesn't know what the cost was of it. But she does know it's the only thing holding them back now is they're saving up for all the crazy business permits and stuff. You need a separate permit for every little thing. And I've never heard of that, 500,000 for a business permit. But it's a resort permit, actually, I should say. I guess it keeps the threshold really high for people to open up a business here. But I like this spot. It's very cool. These are cool little places. There's a key in this one, so I'm pretty sure I can just... Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice. It's got the hole there for the air conditioner and everything. It's got a fan. Everything's all been wrapped Let's see over here too. Yeah, so they all got their own bathroom, and it has that hut feel to it. They see the fan is there, but the hole for the air conditioner is there, so they could always add it. And look at that, eh? She's just blown away by pools. She loves her pools. Yeah, that's right. And then they got a bar down here so that one day they can have a bar. So yeah, it might, I don't know what the hope and dream is. Let's find out, see if Marianne knows. So Marianne, what's your hope? When do you think you're hoping this will open?
Yes, hoping the permit is go down a little bit.
Oh. So.
Hope we open soon. Or maybe next year.
Next year?
Yeah.
All right.
Because she's worried about the permit.
Going up, not down. Yeah.
Because these days everything is increased, right?
Yeah.
So she's hoping for that.
Right.
Yes, I hope.
Because this is the bar here. Look at that. I think it's a light too, actually. And yeah, so they have like a whole smoothie type bar here, whatever, that was previous owners ran. And then another path that you could take down to the road here. So their driveway is way over there, but this is right to the main street. And like I said, right over here, well, you can see, oh, there's a funeral procession or something going on right now. Just around that corner is the main drag. And there's a dive center. Oh, this is the dive center. Oh, I see. Okay. So yeah, they just have it all closed off right now, but that would be the dive center. Well, Chris, it's impressive what you can do, man. This is a great place. I don't know what you paid for it, but hopefully you got a good deal. And hopefully this all goes well for you. See the funeral, Laura?
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you. What are you going to call the place when it's open?
It's Jungle Inn.
Jungle Inn?
Yeah.
Nice.
Jungle Inn.
Nice.
I like it. Just
Yeah.
It is a
right?
very jungle. Yeah. Yeah, there's a key on that in there. Well, that was cool. We are going down to the main strip now. We're going to go over to where they do the island hopping, because apparently they have a brand new terminal there and not just a big dirt field like you used to have. Also, we got to look at where we're going to catch the ferry tomorrow and see if we can get tickets ahead of time. Well, we've been to this one. We've been to this one. None of them take vehicles. This is our last hope. And that boat doesn't look like it takes vehicles either. So look at that, they have Wi-Fi. But I don't see. The to-go's not even open. It says they do everything online. Catherine's over at the port there talking to everybody. But it looks like, you know, the energy crisis thing or whatever, they've really cut back. And now it's just passenger. And we may have to go as far as Puerto Princesa, which is a 6-hour drive to El Nido. And a much further away. Oh, we'll find out. What's the answer?
no.
No. So
I asked.
you asked them about to go?
Yeah, to go, and they were telling me that it's only Saturday, and then the San Carlos is they have what do you call this? They have tomorrow, but they cancel it. I don't know why. But
Oh
they
no.
cancel it.
And then it's
Okay.
Tuesday, so we're like many days away from Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, so our option
Fast crash.
is to just leave our bike here.
Yeah. Montenegro, and then Chenza.
Yeah. Well, there we go. So it's the same price for either one. So I guess Fast Craft would be the Montenegro's with the Fast Craft.
Yeah.
Or no, the first one on the left.
They're all fast crash.
Oh. Either way, they're all 3,000. So per person. Yeah, per person. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that. That's and we have to go home from here, back to Mindoro and then Cataclan and all that good stuff. Nothing online is reliable right now. we're gonna take this one because it's 7:30 and it's 3 hours and 30 minutes. Look at that. That's a pretty fast boat, to be honest. Air conditioned, free Wi-Fi on board. Okay, so we made our way down here to, this is where all the tours happen. So the tourist area. It's this giant field. And I thought this last time, I was like, what the heck? Because this just gets filled with cars and buses and vans and stuff like that. Now it's afternoon, so it's not a time where people go out on tours. They go in the morning. And all the tour boats are all lined up. And there's guys out front trying to convince you to take their tour. A lot of them are pre-sold in town anyway. And then they got a little food hub over here. And this is the only thing I've seen that is different. And is they got like a shaded area for you to wait now. Yeah, so now they have this. This is at least something because you don't have to just stand out in the perfect sun all the time. They got bathrooms in here and then waiting areas with benches on both sides. So that's a little bit better. And they even have docks now. That's something they didn't have last year or 2 years ago. Check this out. Oh, that's nice. Nice breeze. Look at the view. Okay, I like it. I like it.
Yeah. And I like this blue table. I'm just kidding. This
You
is
just
not
love the blue table, not the view.
Yeah.
The view is over there.
Well, hello guys. Wow. Just in a few days now, we have had so much traffic on tplbuy.com for people who are listing their houses for sale, lots for sale for people to build their own houses, those kind of things, and condos for sale. And I can't believe how many of you have posted there. Fantastic. And we have such a big audience of subscribers who are all looking here in the Philippines, and also for rentals, if you got any rentals. So if you know somebody who's trying to sell a condo, well, guess what? We have the traffic. We have the people that you're looking for. So tell them to go and post for free, absolutely free, at www.tplbuy.com. Go and check it out for yourself. You'll see it's one of the coolest sites anywhere in the Philippines. Wow, other than somebody's doing some building over there, you hear nothing in this community. Love it. Anyway, we're going to go climb to the top of the mountain, the Coron mountain. How exciting is that?
Yeah, we get a
Just
walk.
waiting for your mother to come. Yeah, I really like it here. It's so pretty here. And think of what you could do with the place. Keep in mind, this is dry season. And look how lush things are, right? So you can imagine what it's going to look like here in just a few more weeks. Oh my God, it's going to be so beautiful. Hey, hello, pretty girl. You know, fill the pool, clean it up. There's so much you could do. Yeah. If anybody does buy this from my friend Mark there, please let me know. I want to come visit you guys. I want to film it when you have it all done. I think it's a great price. What was it, 12 million, he said? Because that empty lot, whatever, same size, 10 million pesos. So you're getting a whole house for 2 million. That's insane. These kind of houses are generally about 6 million to build, 5-6 million minimum, and that's like not with all the furnishings and everything he's done. So this is just a steal of a deal, I'm telling you. Wow. Well guys, here we go. Everybody's full of, oh, I can do it, I can do it. But we'll see. Because it looks really high. Really, really high. So we literally just started, right? And it says 100 here. It certainly feels like more than that. Laura's doing good.
Oh, Kip and I. Just kidding, Daddy.
Wow, she just got some energy because she just saw how beautiful the sunset is. And she's about to miss it. Oh yeah, right over that mountain. Oh yeah. The sunset looks nothing like what it does in real life on the drone, unfortunately. No red sky. But we were up here and then we realized, well wait, where are all the people that are selling water? So Catherine asked somebody and they said, oh, the police came yesterday and removed them all because they're not illegal vendors, right? And I was like, oh, come on, nobody sells water up here now because they normally do. So Catherine said, I'm doing it. She went the 250 steps down again to buy water and come all the way up. And I was like, are you sure? She's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Because we still have a long way to go all the way up there. So,
Hello.
hello.
I found the lots of boats outside there.
Did you really?
Yeah, right there.
And to see how pink the sky is?
Yeah.
So pretty. And we have a kitty. Right, baby? Yes. And during rainy season, this is a waterfall. The water runs all the way down through here. Unfortunately, dry season, not going to see that right now. Look at these trees though, incredible. Would be in great shape. 300!
300.
Wow! Wow.
Yeah.
Once again, in person, this is more stunning than a camera. Okay, 600. We could see the sign. We're so close. Well, well, well. This is the first plateau with our Hollywood sign. I mean Coron. Purple sky in the background.
Daddy, over there.
Yeah, I know, but first we're doing this. Oh, 720. We made it. All done. It was cool. Do that every day. You're bound to be in good shape.
One more step.
You want to do more?
Yeah, right there.
You want the bonus steps, eh? He wants to go up there for her bonus steps. Very nice, though. Very nice.
Now we can take picture here now.
Oh, we did it. What are we gonna get? Souvenirs?
I'm getting a bracelet.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And she's off looking for shorts or something. I don't know. I think they're pretty reasonably priced. I know like a lot of the magnets here are pretty cheap. 80 pesos. Some of them are like 3 per 100. So it's good.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn